Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw money from Albert in 2025. If you're using the Albert app for your banking needs, you know how handy it is for managing cash advances, investments, and more. With updates in 2025, the process is even smoother, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Whether you're a newbie or just need a quick refresher, this guide will have you withdrawing funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure you have the latest version of the Albert app installed on your smartphone. It's free to download from your App Store, and updates might include enhanced security features for 2025. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your credentials. If you haven't set up two-factor authentication yet, that's a must-do for added protection. Step 1. Head to your dashboard. This is the main screen you'll see after logging in, showing your account balance and recent transactions. Look for the Wallet or Accounts tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Select your funding source. In Albert, you might have multiple accounts linked, like your checking or savings. Choose the one you want to withdraw from. Step 3. Tap on the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This could be under a menu labeled Move Money or something similar. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be daily limits or fees, so check those details first to avoid surprises. Step 4. Choose your destination. This is where the money goes, typically to your linked bank account or a debit card. Double-check the account details to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Review and confirm. Albert will show a summary of your withdrawal, including any potential fees based on 2025 policies. Hit confirm, and you might need to verify via a code sent to your phone for security. Once processed, your funds should appear in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the bank's processing time. Pro tip: keep an eye on your transaction history in the app to track the status. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw money from Albert in 2025. It's straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it puts you in control of your finances. If you run into any issues, reach out to Albert's support, they're pretty responsive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on apps like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.